Good morning, class. Here is the sixth lesson for geometry. We want to find two angles here. Angle ACD, this angle, and angle ABC, this angle. So whenever you are given three uppercase letters to represent an angle, the angle is always located at the middle letter. So meaning angle ACD means ACD. Yeah. Lines from A and line from what? Line from A and line from D. They meet at C to form the angle. That is what it means. Yeah. ACD, angle ACD, meaning line from A and line from D meet at C to form this particular angle. So angle ACD. Line from A, line from D meet at C. So this is the angle we are talking about. So likewise here, angle ABC, the angle is situated at B. Yeah, but this angle is formed by the lines coming from A and C to meet at this point. From A and C to meet at this. So we need this angle, we need this angle. Okay. But when we look at this one here, let us take a look. We have this line. Yes. Then we have this one as 110. Then we want to find this. So you can see that this is a straight line, meaning this one, straight line. This angle 110, look at the vertex for angle 110. And this is the same vertex for the angle that we want to find, which is ACD. This is the vertex for 110. It is the same meeting point, which we call vertex, for the required angle. So we can say that this angle and this angle, they are adjacent. See, this and this, they are adjacent angles. And these adjacent angles are on a straight line. When something like this happens, we say they sum up to 180 degrees. So what do? We say this angle here, which is angle ACD, we say angle, this is the symbol for angle ACD plus this angle 110 equals to 180 degrees. What is the reason? They are adjacent angles on a straight line. This is the reason. Okay, now I want to find angle ACD. The rest is algebra. Angle ACD equal to 180 degrees. We move this one, minus 110. Then angle ACD is equal to what? 70 degrees. That is angle ACD. Now I want to find angle what? ABC. ABC, this one here. That is the one we want to find. Now, in our lesson 5 class, we discuss when a triangle has two equal sides. Any triangle with two equal sides, we call that triangle isosceles triangle. Yeah, this one is an isosceles triangle. This one and this one tells us that this side and this side are equal. Here is 110. So these two equal sides, these ones here, they meet at this point to form this angle. See? This side and this side, they are equal. How do we know they are equal? Because of this mark, this indication we are seeing. They meet at this point to form this angle. So in that case, the remaining two angles are what we call the base angles. So if this side and this side meet here to form this angle, the remaining two angles are what we call the base angles. And these base angles are said to be equal. They are understood to be what? Equal. So therefore, this angle and this angle, they are equal. So what do we do? Now, since we have only one triangle, we can use the single letter system by saying angle A plus angle B plus angle C sum up to 180, because sum of angles in any triangle is 180. So we say angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Why do we add all the three angles equal to 180? Because it is understood that the sum of angles in a triangle is always 180. Yes. So angle A plus what? Angle B. So we say angle A plus angle B. Well, what is angle C? Is 110, which is 180 degrees. So we say angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. So we say angle A plus angle B equals 180 minus 110 is 70 degrees. Yeah, so this plus equals 70 degrees. But we just analyze that angle A and angle B, they are the base angles of this isosceles triangle, and base angles of any isosceles triangle are always equal. So if angle A and angle B, they are equal, it means these two can share 70. Just like we say, there are two students. We have student P and student Q. The two of them are given 200 leons. Yes, student A, student P are given amount of what? 200 leons. But they must share the 200 leons equally. So we simply divide this by 2. So this can have 100 leons, and also this one has 100 leons. So something like that. So therefore we say angle A is equal to angle B, of which the 70 degrees is divided by the two of them. So 70 divided by 2 is 35 degrees. So angle A is 35 degrees. Then angle B is 35 degrees. Yes, but the question is to find angle ABC at this. So this is this one here, 35. So therefore, angle ABC is equal to 35 degrees. So this is what we have for this class. Then see my next video. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Thank you.